Hi guys, so today we're going to show you the slime that we made, and we can't actually make it, one because we don't have the time, and two because we don't have any more glue left because we used it to make this slime. So this slime is, you can make the slime in the UK because all you need is laundry detergent. You don't need a gel, but you can use a gel if you would like. I used Wilko's Own Glue. Also, I used a bit of food colouring and Gillette shaving foam. It doesn't have to be Gillette though. This is an instant slime, so when you mix it up, it does get all foamy and goes all over your hands. But you put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. And then you take it out and dry it out on kitchen roll, but it doesn't stick to the kitchen roll because I don't know why it doesn't, but it doesn't stick to the kitchen roll, so you can just take it off and dry it out, and it'll be like this. And also, if this slime does dry out, then you could also just add either a little bit of shaving gel or a little bit of water, or both, because the shaving gel will make it fluffier, the water will make it a bit stretchier, and also you could use lotion or conditioner because they make it stretchier. So probably best not to add all three though, because it might ruin your slime. This slime is so easy to make, and we hope you try it out at home. So, yeah. I think that when I get the glue again, we're gonna actually make a video of how to make it, because then you can see for yourself what it looks like before, because it's a nightmare. But this is what it turns out like. And I didn't use grey food colouring because I don't even know if you can get it. You could get black and then just do a little bit. But I got pink, and then I add pink food colouring, and then I added some blue paint, which turned it this grey purple sort of a colour.
It's not really purple, it's just grey.
Yeah. You don't have to colour it if you don't want. You can just have white slime, and you don't have to add shaving foam. You can just have jiggly slime, or you can add in some foam bars to make it foam slime. You can just personalise it basically. And I hope you like this video. Comment down below what type of slime your favourite is,
And also comment down below if when you made it, it worked, or if it didn't,
or if you've never made it. We hope you like our channel, give it a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.